Hello and welcome to Introduction Week on Polyglots of the Week. I'm your Tuesday, David. I am 20 years old and I'm currently a junior at a university on the east coast of the United States. There are currently 5 languages in my language arsenal. Are Spanish, American Sign Language, Japanese, German, and Swedish. In the past I've done a lot of experimenting with other languages just to kind of figure out where I wanted to go with language learning. Some of those languages include Arabic, Vietnamese, Mandarin Chinese, British Sign Language, Icelandic, Hindi, Greek, and a whole lot of others. So you may be wondering where all this began. Well, I was 13 years old, just like Ed Armande, in middle school, my last year of middle school. And I decided to pick up German as my language course because my sister, my older sister, had also taken a German course. So I wanted to be able to converse with her. That never happened. The next year, my family moved away from that area. At my high school, I was forced to take either Spanish, French, or Latin. I reluctantly signed up for Spanish, and that same year I actually started studying Swedish as well, though it's nowhere near as high a level as my Spanish. I started studying Japanese my junior year of high school, but I didn't start studying seriously until last year when I decided that I should start studying for a purpose instead of just studying for the heck of it. So once I found out that the Japanese Language Proficiency Test, the JLPT, was available close to me, I signed up and now I'm back on track with that. I've acquired a certificate of career studies in American Sign Language this past summer, and I am currently aiming towards getting my BA in Spanish with a minor in German and a certificate in translation and interpretation. So my main goal for all of this is to become an interpreter. And I know that's not possible for every single one of my languages, so that's why I also want to do translation with my weaker languages. So that ends today's video. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share with all your friends. Thank you. Bye.